Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to discuss how to use a catalog with ChatGPT. So I'll start by going through some images that I just created with this, then I'll show how it was done. So the daily theme changed a little while ago to incandescent plasma right here. So I did a couple of prompts featuring incandescent plasma and in different styles. This one's Art Nouveau, and here's another one, same prompt. Those were kind of neat. And this is using kind of, I think it says neo-impressionist style. So we'll look at three of these, maybe four. That's a kind of more abstract one, kind of interesting. And this is another Art Nouveau style, another one. And then here, I think this is Impressionist. Yeah. Pissarro. But it's amazing how good some of these are. This is Pollock, obviously. Don't even need to say who. And also, this one's pretty characteristic. Um, there was another one that's kind of cool like that. This said Dali, where the Midjourney's a much better job with this too. With the ChatGPT has been doing this prompt forever, where it wants to have these melting clocks, and Midjourney, I haven't seen Midjourney really do this until now, but you can see these are melting clocks. These aren't really, but still kind of cool the way it's making the pictures kind of drip uh, into into itself. Okay, so those were some examples of some of the prompts that were created using the catalog. And here I'll show the session that I did. I took the script and copied and pasted it, and I'll show where to get that in just a moment. So here I copied and pasted the script for the art catalog, and then it responded, ChatGPT did, by saying, uh, howdy. Let's see, right here. I have to, let me, it's got quite a light here. Okay, so here, this is it, right? Okay, so I said, incandescent plasma in 3 prompts, please. And then I wrote out the Salvador Dali, Vincent Van Gogh, or Van Gogh, and the Jackson Pollock one. Okay. Then I said, do 3 more Impressionist artists. So did a Monet, Renoir, and a Pissarro. And I don't know what this one was. I didn't notice a Renoir. They on the Midjourney site, they've really improved. Uh, I actually haven't been coming here too much, but this search prompts is working really well. So if I put in Renoir, it actually works. It's and very quick too. So this is so it didn't do Renoir. Or I guess I just didn't put it in. All right, that's why I didn't remember. And then here it's got these filters. Oh, maybe because I didn't upscale it. Okay, that's what it was. All right, so these are the Renoirs. Okay. And I remember that I thought there was one that I upscaled, but I guess that didn't happen. Because I remember there was one of these I liked quite a bit. But I mean, it's really improving more and more. You can really see the Renoir style coming through in these images. Okay, so this is the new Midjourney website, and it has these filters that you can uh, sort your or filter your images by. So that's pretty cool. Okay, So I went to ChatGPT and I copied and pasted the script, and then I said, give me some more styles to choose from, and it listed Impressionism, Expressionism, so forth. And so I said, well, let's do two Art Nouveau, two Minimalism, and two Neo-Impressionism. And it wrote out the prompts, and I liked the Art Nouveau and the Neo-Impressionism. I liked those quite a lot. Didn't really care for the Minimalism ones. I'll just come here and I'll turn off the, well, I don't know why this is not, oh, did it turn off because I asked for Renoir? I'm not sure why. Anyway, here's the minimalism ones, which I sometimes I really like these. I guess I like them when they have like architecture, interiors. You get some nice lines, but didn't really. I guess this one's okay, and maybe this one too. This one's kind of cool now that I see it a little better. All right, so how did I do this? All right, so in my blog right here, this is a December blog, and I will put this information in the description of the video. The the blog is um, ChatGPT Midjourney version 6.0 art catalog. So I just went there. Let me actually, I'll show exactly what I did. So this is a URL, just like this. It's tommywalldecember.blogspot.com. Hit enter and uh, look for the post on the art one. So I'm looking for this one here. Okay, then read more and then copy paste. So copy paste the contents of the script. Okay, and there we go. And copy. I'll go to ChatGPT, open a new session. Okay, here we go. And I'll paste the contents of the script and hit enter. And then ChatGPT will respond in a few seconds. Thank you for providing detailed instructions, etc. And then from here, you can just ask it to make prompts that you want. And uh, you could say something like, show me uh, a high level uh, view of the catalog. I haven't actually tried this, but let's see what it says. It should work. It's pretty good at these sorts of things.